A true classic car is not just built, it is crafted, carrying the soul of an era in its curves, chrome and roaring engine. The 1966 Chevrolet Caprice 427 390 HP V8 stands as one of the most iconic full-size luxury muscle cars ever produced, combining unmatched power, sleek design, and premium comfort. Introduced as Chevrolet's top-tier model, the Caprice was positioned above the Impala, offering a blend of high performance and refined styling that appealed to both speed enthusiasts and luxury seekers. The 1966 model year marked a turning point for the Caprice, as Chevrolet expanded its lineup, transforming it from a single-trim luxury package, introduced in 1965, into a full-fledged series. Its exterior featured a more squared-off body design, a bold front grille with quad headlamps, and chrome accents that exuded elegance. The Caprice nameplate was proudly displayed, emphasizing its premium status among Chevrolet's lineup. What truly set this full-size powerhouse apart was its engine options, with the legendary 427 cubic inch V8 at the top of the list. This big block engine, rated at 390 horsepower, delivered incredible torque and acceleration, making the Caprice one of the most powerful luxury sedans of its time. The massive V8 ensured that the car could glide effortlessly on highways, while providing thrilling bursts of speed when needed. Paired with a turbo-hydramatic automatic transmission or a 4-speed manual, the driving experience was both smooth and exhilarating. Inside the Caprice, 427 390 HP V8 was designed to provide unparalleled comfort. The interior featured premium materials, including plush carpeting, wood grain trim, and elegant upholstery that elevated the cabin's sophistication. Front and rear bench seats offered spacious accommodations, making it an ideal choice for long drives or family cruising. Options such as air conditioning, AM/FM radio, power windows, and tilt steering further enhanced the driving experience, ensuring that luxury was as much a priority as performance. Despite being one of Chevrolet's top-performing luxury sedans, the 1966 Caprice 427 remains a rare find today, with well-preserved or restored models commanding high prices on the collector's market. Depending on condition, originality, and optional features, prices can range from $30,000 to over $70,000, with highly sought-after versions exceeding those figures at auctions. Even after decades, the 1966 Chevrolet Caprice 427 390 HP V8 continues to be a timeless masterpiece, embodying the perfect balance of power, prestige, and classic American muscle. A car like this is not just remembered, it is celebrated, admired, and forever etched in the history of high-performance luxury sedans.